If your Shopify store only has 5 video ads, you're probably leaving sales on the table. The brands winning today aren't relying on one perfect ad. They're constantly testing new hooks, new angles, and new videos to find what actually converts. So why are so many stores still creating just a handful of creatives? Creating product videos isn't as simple as recording once and calling it a day. Every campaign needs fresh ideas. One customer might respond to a product demo, while another trusts a testimonial. Some stop scrolling because of an unboxing video, others because of a strong opening hook. The problem is that producing all those variations takes time. You have to find creators, brief them, wait for filming, request revisions, edit the footage, and repeat the process every time you launch a new product or test a different marketing angle. Now imagine managing 10 or 20 products instead of one. The workload grows much faster than most teams can handle. When new creatives aren't ready, campaigns often keep running with the same videos for weeks. People have already seen them. Engagement starts slowing down. Testing new ideas becomes harder. Instead of asking, which creative performs best, the question becomes, can we even make enough creatives to test? That production bottleneck can slow down marketing decisions and limit how quickly brands respond to what their audience actually wants. That's why I started looking into newer AI tools built specifically for content production. One that caught my attention is AI UGC Hub. Based on the official information, it's designed to help businesses create UGC-style marketing videos without following the traditional creator-first production process. Instead of starting every project from scratch, AI UGC Hub can generate videos from a product idea or even a product URL, helping teams create more content in less time. It also includes AI presenters and script generation, making it easier to produce multiple creative variations for different campaigns. For e-commerce brands, that means spending less time waiting for production and more time testing different marketing messages. Whether you're running a Shopify store, launching new products every month, or managing an in-house marketing team, creating enough video ads is becoming just as important as running the ads themselves. AI won't replace good marketing, but it can help simplify parts of the content creation process. If you're curious to see how AI UGC Hub works and whether it fits your workflow, you'll find more information using the link in the description.